हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल द कॉमर्स कोच। चलिए आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो that is that institute has recently issued some of the notifications for you guys, right? First one notification, let's take a brief quickly recap the notifications. First of all the trainings are exempt for the summer attempt. Okay, let it be computer training, let it be practical training, let it be IOTP, let it be CSS. Every training has been exempted for the summer term, for the sake of December term only. Okay, now the question is that, sir, if I have to appear in 2021 or if I have registered for some another attempt, will I be able to take the exemption benefit? So the answer is no. It is clearly mentioned in the notification that this particular exemption is for the student appearing in December 2021 only. Second notification that the institute has released, deferment of fees payment. Like in the pandemic time, they have increased the fees from 17k to 25k for final students. Now they have deferred the payment for intern and final and foundation, and they came back to the previous structure. Okay, now the third thing, they are launching power course. Okay, SAP power course, which is very important for you guys. Don't skip it. Okay, do it because there is a high demand for that particular course. Now let's start with the video. Now see, all the students who are now new to the intermediate, or basically who are thinking to give basically who are confused to give whether a single group or both the groups. So this video will clear all of your doubts about whether to go with single group, whether to go with both groups. And this video has been made basically taking care of the time that we are facing, like COVID. So basically this video has been made for COVID, you can say COVID-19. Okay, so what should be our decision when there is a situation prevailing in our country like COVID-19? So how should we do our studies? Like should we go for a single group or should we go for both groups? So according to time, which is most suitable to us? Now see, we will be having a detailed analysis about this today. We will be seeing all the opportunities, means all the positive points that you have if you give single group, and all the positivities for both groups as well as the negativities from both of the options according to current scenario in the country. Okay, that will help you a lot to prepare for your examination. Okay sir, so now let's start. See, so now the debate, or basically discussion, no debates, sorry, only the discussion is there, a healthy discussion which will basically motivate you for your examinations and everything. Okay, so our topic today is both group versus single group. Okay, who will win? That depends upon you. Okay sir, I will tell you all the positive things and negative things as well. You will, at the end, you will have to decide. See, I can only guide you as a friend, as a teacher, as a mentor, or as a tutor, whatever you call me. I can only guide you through, but you are the person who will walk through that path. Okay, I can tell you, sir, go this way. Now you are the one who will follow my guidance or not, and shall continue or shall not continue over this path, or shall go another way. So that is the you, means you have to decide at that. I will only guide you, I will only motivate you toward the point, both of the points. Basically you have to decide which suits you best, whether both group or whether single group. So now he's Chintu and he's Paplu. Chintu and Paplu are fighting. Chintu saying I will give both group, and Paplu is saying I will give both of the groups. Now Chintu and Paplu both are of your inner voices. Okay, these are your inner voices, means under your voices there is a confusion, right? One is saying you have to give single group, second one is saying you have to give both of the groups. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, so now we will see, we will look for it. This will be a short video and we will analyze all the things. Now see, here we have both, here we have single. How much for both, how much for single? Let's analyze each and everything very carefully. Now positive thoughts for both groups. Okay, see, the very main feature of both group is that makes the both group very important, very important. Okay, that can be a golden chance for you, means there is a set off. If you don't know about set off, let me tell you about set off. Set off is something else, something like this. If you get in group 1 199, and in group 2 you get suppose 201, that makes 400 as total, right? So in this case you will pass out your intermediate. Sounds good, right? Even not in this case, even if you score 195 and 205, then also your total is 400, then also you clear out the examination. That sounds good, right? Means here basically if the efforts by any so and so reasons are less by your side and you scored not so much well in group 1, generally you can say students perception is this, that group 1 is harder than group 2. That is why in group 1 the marks are relatively less as compared to group 2. Okay, so basically in that particular case you can avail the benefit of set off. Means if you get in group 1 195 marks and in group 2 205 marks, then your total would be 400. Means you will not fail by 5 1 2 3 4 marks, right? You will pass in set off. That does not mean that you do not have to do hard work. Yes, you have to do hard work, but if little hard work is falling apart, still you can pass out, okay, with the hard work of your second group. Some students say, sir, in second group, okay, see some word they say sir, as we know that here we have group 1, here we have group 2. Okay, some say, sir, in group 1 there is a law, cost, DT and financial accounting. In group 2 against of the law we do not have anything. We have IDT, okay, we have cost FM, we have IDT, we have cost FM, we have OMSM, and we have company accounts. Okay, see, now many students say, sir, in group 1 we know something about law already because we have cleared foundation, and some of the topics are basically having from foundation. Basically the foundation we had Contact Act, right? So we know the basics. Now we can go for the advanced level by ourselves. That's easy. Means that that sounds familiar. Okay, cost somehow becomes messy for some students. Okay, so I will put a star on this. DT somehow messy. Okay, financial accounting we have already done it from 11th, 12th. BCom, if you have done BCom, if you have not done BCom, then also fine. If you know the basics from 11th and 12th, even though you can score at least 40 marks into financial accounting. Means financial accounting is not so much new as a subject to you. The concepts are new somehow, okay, and yet the concepts are also not so new because almost every concept, almost 60% concepts are from 11th, 12th and CMA foundation. Okay, if you are not from foundation, means you are from direct entry. If you are from direct entry, then you might be from BCom or any graduation like engineering. If you are engineering, from engineering, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Then law is also new for you. Okay, but that is a very rare case that you are from engineering. Okay, but if you are from CMA foundation or BCom, then you must have knowledge of law and financial accounting at least. Okay, I also know that in BCom also we have cost and direct taxation, but yet I'm not treating it so much because let's keep them away. So now here what is the case? You can prepare for 2 subjects at least, okay, easily by yourself, basically without any help. Now for cost and DT you can take classes, okay, or these subjects can also be done by yourself. Like for costing also you can watch videos. I have uploaded whole chapter of marginal costing, that is very important for you guys. Okay, don't forget to watch that videos. Okay, whole playlist is there. I will also give the link in the I button and then in the description also. Don't forget to check out the description. And for direct taxation also you can watch the videos, okay, and not mine video. A lot of videos are there on the internet, over the internet, but please watch only such videos which are in continuation. Like many teachers are there, I don't know why they have only uploaded basically single video or 2 videos of a chapter, then they leave student in middle of the chapter. Now student know something but don't know the whole chapter. So there should be whole chapter or none of the lessons of that particular chapter. Okay, but I do not do these things. Basically onto my channel you will find each and everything complete. Okay, for law as well, for financial accounting as well, you will find videos. Okay, so that is the thing for my channel. Means onto my channel almost 160 videos are there. Out of 160 you will find everything. Okay, so now relatively group 1 is easier than group 2, but yet the marks are basically hard to score in group 1. Now in group 2, IDT is totally new to you. Cost FM, if you know the cost, you can do for 50 marks, okay, because 50 marks FM, 50 marks cost. OMSM totally new, and company accounts is still from 12th you have basics, but yet in company accounts there is also audit for 50 marks and company account for 50 marks. That means for company accounts also you have to do some of the things, because there are accounting standards as well in company accounts. So now see, basically students say in group 2 we can score better because OMSM is scoring subject, okay, IDT is scoring subject, okay. Now cost of FM is also scoring subject, and audit is also scoring, means in group 2 you can score well. However, all the subject of group 1 and group 2 are scoring, but yet I am treating the subjects which are scoring as per my perception, okay. Now see, what we have seen here, we have seen that if we do hard work onto the group which we prefer, like I feel group 1 is easier than group 2. Onto my perception, it was group 2 which were easier, right? So I will prepare best of my group 2, like I will score 265 marks, okay. I will score 265 marks in group 2, but I know I will lack somewhere in group 1, like I will score 195 marks. Then your total would not be 400, your total would be good, like it would be basically you can say 460 or something around that, okay. So now that's a good marks, okay. So you can do hard work in group 1 and you can leave basically less hard work relatively. If you prefer group 1, you can do more hard work in group 1, score good marks, and in set off also there are chances that you will clear out. First positive thing, okay. I hope you are understanding the points. Second, pressure. When you are giving both of the groups, you have pressure. Almost you have 9 months to prepare for, or let's take it as a net months, or let's take it as 6 to 7 months are there to prepare for your examination for both of the groups, okay. That means that comes up almost near, basically near to a month is given for each and every subject, okay. For each and every subject you have around a month. Now there is a pressure. Now pressure can be taken as positive. Now if you are pushing hard yourself, you will think and you will find certainly that into pressure you work more efficiently, means you will try to utilize your time best in pressure, okay. When you are in pressure you use your time best, okay. Now let me give you an example, okay, for pressure. Now if you are in pressure, what you will do, suppose there is a dog, okay, and you are going from there, and basically he seen something in you and he started running behind you, and you also started to run. Now if you run, if a dog is behind you, you will not run at your normal speed, right? You will run at a speed which is unbelievable, right? Which is far more than your capacity. Why are you running so much high speed, at so much high speed? Because now you are at pressure, you are scared. So that is the same way pressure can be used. See, pressure is a weapon, can be used as a positively, basically can be taken benefit from this pressure. Now in the under pressure you can basically prepare each and every subject as in as low time as it can be possible, because you will find new ways to cut your time and avoid such basically time wasting things, and you will do the things better as per my perspective, and you will also think the same when you will do it, okay. Might possible that by listening it will not basically looks real, but yes, it is real. It worked for me and it will work for you as well, okay. I also gave both the groups. I was also in pressure, but I used the pressure in a good way. That is why I cleared both of the groups in very first go in all the subjects, okay. Very first go I have cleared everything. So it was due to pressure, okay. I must say pressure was one of the factor of my success. So now third thing, preference. See, whatever the students are saying to you, don't believe on such students. I don't know why a student mislead their fellows or their juniors or their basically brother and sisters. I don't know why they do it so. But see, if you have cleared CMA Inter or any professional exam, both groups, right, in first go or in second go, doesn't matter, but you have cleared both of the groups, right? Both of the groups you have cleared. You have not given single groups. Now there will be a preference. Suppose after intermediate, after inter you will go for final, right? And before going final there will be industrial training, right? And before industrial training, if you do not do industrial training, then you can't do much in your career, okay? Because practical exposure is very important for you. Bookish knowledge is not enough. That is why you will learn new things in industrial training. So in industrial training, you also look for I have to do industrial training in, let's suppose, BHEL, okay, Indian Oil, okay, and so on. Like you can say BSES. So you also look for a company that pays you well and that trains you well, right? Or let's say ONGC. So when they are hiring, or let's say NLC or NCL. So a lot of companies are there which are government companies, and they hire trainees, CMA industrial trainings. So now recently what happened, out of these company, one government company basically taken all the candidates who given both groups without any interview. They have selected on the basis of their marks, means they have given both groups and their marks are higher. So yes, groups do matter. Like basically in BHEL what happened, this is my personal experience, okay? I have given both groups, that is why I know these things. They had 10 posts, okay? They had 10 posts, and out of these 10 posts the candidates were 500 for Delhi, right? It means like semi-qualified CMAs were 500 for 10 posts, but however only 250 applied. Out of these 500 students, 250 applied only. At that session 500 students cleared out, okay, in CMA Inter, due to the as released the data by the institute, okay? This is these numbers are as per institute, okay? As per institute data, 500 students cleared, but only 250 students apply for these 10 posts. Now how will BHEL will call for interview? That is not possible that BHEL will call for interview 250 people. It will only call some of the people. Like how they can basically take out some of the students only. So they started like this. First of all, we will take all the rankers if they are available, okay? Second, we will take on all the students that have given both groups. Then we will take single group, okay? Then we will take basically all the single group who are basically, let's say here, who have exemptions. Now here without exemption. So yes, group matters, right? So if you have given single group, see in this scenario, in this case, this is a reality. In this case you will never get an opportunity, right? Even though you are very good at your academics, you are very good, but here you will not get preferred, okay? Because both group students are preferred, you will not basically given a chance to show your skills. So that is what I am saying. Preference is always given to both group students. Full capacity utilization, as you know, that the next positive thing about both group is that you will know your full capacity and you will utilize that particular capacity with due to pressure, okay? As I given you example of a dog, if dog is running behind you, you will run at your full speed. Means now you will know that yes, at fast and faster speeds I can run at this speed. Like when dog is there, you can run even I guess 200% at your 200% speed of a normal speed, right? And you will not basically stop until dog stops, right? So you will know your full capacity and you will utilize such capacity. Fast growth, if you clear out the things in 9 months, okay? See, foundation, you cleared foundation, then in 9 months you are now semi-qualified CMA. That sounds good. Like in 9 months only you cleared all the things. Let's take it 1 year. Means in 1 year after foundation you are a semi-qualified CMA, and a semi-qualified CMA can work as an independent, basically independent person. Like without qualifying final also you can work in the industry if you have good practical exposure, and you can earn good amount of salary, like 20-30,000 as well, 40-50,000 as well if you have a good amount of experience, right? So in 1 year you are capable of earning now. In industrial training also you will get stipend. If you are posted in a good company, then you will get 20 to 25 around stipend. Okay. Now rank. See, only both group people get rank. You know these things. Means institute also prefer the students who are giving both groups. Now the single group giving person is not awarded with rank certificates or anything. So there is a possibility and you can achieve ranks. Okay, even though if you do very well into group 1, you will not achieve rank, but if you do very well into group 2, sorry, in both of the groups, then you will achieve rank. Now what are the negative things? Pressure. Pressure can be positive, pressure can be negative. See, some of the people are there. If dog is running behind them, a person is there who will run at his full speed, and he will the dog will not able to chase the person. Now there is a second person. If dog runs behind him, he will lose his consciousness and he will basically fall down onto the floor. So that is not good for him, right? So basically pressure can be good, pressure can be bad according to you. That is why select the thing. I am telling you each and everything, like the positive thing and the negative thing, or of both of the alternatives. Now you have to decide where to go. Okay, pressure can be positive, pressure can be negative. Don't take that much pressure that basically you lose your confidence, you lose your consciousness, you lose something that stops you from studying, or that lets you down. Okay, don't do that. Chances of no success. See, if you are taking the risk, right? If there is a risk, then you can lose, right? See, with risk you can go also up, with risk you can also come down. And if you are preparing for both of the groups, that can also happen that you can't clear even a single group. Okay, that can also be happen. If you are seeing the good side, you can also see the bad side. If you are giving both group, you are thinking of set off, but the situation came where you have not cleared even single group. Now this is chances of no success, means you have risk, higher amount of risk is there. Now last negative thing which hurts most, I didn't know this fact because I have taken the entry into CMA course directly from CA. I have cleared my CA intermediate, then I have entered into CMA intermediate. Okay, I am a direct entry student. I didn't know that for both group we have to give regular exams. See, regular exams, are you kidding? So basically this was something that I didn't believe in the starting, but with time I settled myself, and due to pressure I prepared such well that I cleared everything in first go. So now regular exams are there, means you will not get a single holiday. Like see, I have to travel to basically Bharati Public School was there in, I guess, Mayur Vihar phase 3 it was, right? Mayur Vihar phase 3, and I live I am telling about Delhi. Okay, all the Delhi people should know about these places. Mayur Vihar phase 3 is somewhere else. Okay, it is some another place on the earth. Now I am living at some another point. The distance was around 15 kilometer, and 15 kilometer coming back means 30 kilometer. And to travel these 30 kilometer, I used to go by bus. Why? Because I had to study a lot. Because if I go by my vehicle, means I have my bike, but if I go by bike, I have to drive it. And by driving, I can't learn the things. So that is why I chose bus, and bus took almost 1.5 hours to Lakshmi Nagar, and from Lakshmi Nagar it took almost 25 minutes to Bharati Public School. So basically it was around 2 hours by going, 2 hours by coming back. So 4 hours in a day, and 3 hours of examination means 7 hours. So you can see 7 hours I was wasting giving the examination, then coming back. All basically after giving the exam I was broken down, but yes, I due to pressure I collected myself and prepared for next day, because there is no gap. Okay, so this can also make you very well person in your life. Basically you can see that miracle happens. Okay, might be possible that you are holding such a strength that nobody is holding. See, you will only know your strength when you give it a try. Okay, now positive thing for single group. Personally I prefer both group because I have given both group. and I know the beauty of these things. Okay, see, single group, you can also go for single group. My friends are there, students are there who are given single group, and they are also successful in their life. Okay, but there are positive things also and negative things also. Like single group is best for the person who is on job now, means there are people who are very hardworking, they do job, and with job they are preparing for CMA inter. So now for them it is not possible to push themselves that much harder to give both of the groups with job. It is not possible basically. Okay, now for them the best option is single group, because positive things are easy going examination. You will get 1 day holiday, alternate days examinations are there, 1 day exam, holiday, then 1 day exam. Okay, so easy going exams are there, very easily you can give 4 exams only are there, means you have to go for basically 4 days only, and you will get holiday after each exam. So for the people of job, you just have to do the 50% hard work of as compared to the person who are giving both group, right? So easy going exams are there. Relaxed mindset. See, for both group also you are getting 9 months, for single group also you are getting 9 months. Now around basically let's take it as 8 months, so around now you are getting 2 months for each subject. Earlier you were getting only around 1 month for each subject. Now that is a difference. Now you are doing 50%, only the 50% hard work as compared to the student of a both group. So relaxed mindset is there. You will also think, yes, a lot of time is there, I can complete easily by basically reading the books, by taking the classes also. Okay, high chances of success. See, in single group I think everybody can clear it. Okay, because 9 months for 4 subjects are too much enough. Okay, now student will also argue me on to this point, yes sir, it is not possible, it is also harder for a single group student to clear out. Yes sir, it is harder. There is a basically you can say a proverb is there in English language, the grass is always greener on to other side. Okay, that means that whatever we do we think that is very hard. Okay, until unless we see the pain of another person. So that is a true thing, bitter but truth. Okay, so high chances of success is there. Institute also thinks the same thing, that if you are preparing for single group, you must clear the examination. Okay, you have got ample amount of time, you must clear it. Now multitasking, as I given you the example of job, you can also do some of the other things, like you can do job, you can basically, if you are a teacher by profession, you can teach a student, and if you have any basically financial crunches in your family, you can give single group, and you can at the same time you can do your other activities to earn financial breads for your family. No negative thing, you can't attain a rank. Okay, even though you could you are very good at the studies, you can't attain rank. You can get exemptions, yes, but you can't attain rank. Less preferred, as I told you already, in interview process, they basically, how they basically treat the applicants, they will basically classify them according to their measures. Like best students are basically best students are there who scored rank. Then we have all the both group students, then we have single group who have exemption, then we have single group students who are not having any exemptions. It can also based upon the company. I am telling you about BHEL, they have chosen like this. Okay, in most of the company the basically scenario is same, not all the companies. Okay, you can also be placed in a very good company after clearing only a single group. Okay, or giving single groups. Takes time to grow. Like in 9 months he will give single group, and in next 9 months he will give both means second group. Means it will take 18 months to grow as a semi-qualified CMA. Like if you talk about opportunity cost, then also you are losing a lot of money, guys. If you are basically postponing your attempt, you are giving single attempt, now you are losing your money. Like opportunity cost, if you are a CMA in 9 months, then in 9 months, even at let's suppose at 5,000 per month stipend, means that is a very less amount of stipend. In if you work in a firm, even you will get 5,000, and in 9 months in a good firm. Okay, there are firms who are giving basically 3,000 as well, but let's take it as 5,000. Then also you can earn 45,000. Okay, now you are losing this 45,000 because you are giving attempt one by one. So that is an opportunity cost for you, minimum opportunity cost. Or even if you take it as 3,000, then also you are losing your 27,000, guys. And 27,000 could help you a lot for your finals. Okay, now unknown strength. If you do everything by relaxing yourself, okay, if you do not push yourself harder, then you are not, sir, don't feel offended, but you are not trained for final, because in final you have to mandatory go with a training plus preparation for your final. Good students do like this. There are students, bad students are there, I don't know why they do it, but student, what they do, single group students, mostly single group student, not all, okay, don't feel offended, not everyone, but there are students who do these things. If they have given single group and they have passed intermediate like single group and then single group, okay, then what they do, when it comes to training plus preparation, they can't handle it. Means immediately if you get in a situation where you have to work for 8 hours and then also you have to prepare for your finals, like earlier it was 6 months, okay, for your training, and you got 9 months for your final, means only 3 months are there which you will get for your study exclusively. Means in 3 months you can't complete both of the groups, okay, means from the very first day of your training you will have start to learning the things. Now see what they do, single group students, okay, what they do, most of the students, not all the students, don't feel offended, I am saying again and again, okay. So what they do, they take dummy. What is dummy? If you do not know about dummy, they take basically only a certificate that they have completed the training, they do not know anything of practical exposure, okay. But because they can't handle all other things simultaneously, that is why they take dummy and they pay for it. Dummy price in the market is nowadays 17,500 around. Sir, how do you know? Have you taken it? No sir, I have not taken it, but where do I work, I see people coming into our company every day. Basically new applicant is there asking for dummy, because I work in very good reputed company, okay, based in CP. So basically every day, I am not every day but every week or somehow we can see a person coming for dummy, okay. So price is this, they are ready to pay this price, okay. I don't know what is the prevailing price into the market, but that is a very negative thing for our profession, okay. That should be eliminated. Now these are the factors that you should keep into your mind, and my personal advice to you guys is that you please go with both groups. Now see sir, just ending up the thing, okay, I know the video is long, my videos are generally long of duration. Why sir? Because I basically believe to discuss the thing in most analytical way that it can be, okay. Now see, due to COVID-19, you know that all the trainings are exempt now. Now there is a time postponed, June 20 exam postponed. If you are preparing for single group in June 20, now you can give both of the groups. See, in December you must give both of the groups, okay, because the exams are postponed, you got ample amount of time, you must give both of the groups, okay sir, because you do not have to now worry for the trainings. If you are in final even you can give it, because now you do not have to worry for the training, okay. Because people were worrying for the training, like they have qualified into Feb, they have started to look for the job in March, okay. Then in March, and basically we had riots in Delhi, we have riots, and all the lockdown started in April or somewhere, April, May, June, okay. So they are basically worrying that we didn't get any training opportunity, then how can we appear into final. Now institute has released that also, okay. So you must give for December 2020 exam. That is the conclusionary point, and I am ending this video right here right now. Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please like it, and please do share it with your juniors. If you are a qualified CMA and watching my video, then I feel very grateful that yes, you are watching my video. And if you are a CMA final student, please share it with your intermediate ones, and if you are an inter student, please share it with your foundation ones, okay. Because foundation student have given, basically who have given September attempt or going to give December attempt, they can also learn that in future what they have to take the steps for their growth, okay. Now with this, let's end the video. Thank you for watching, and still please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, please pin it down in the comment section, okay. Bye bye.